Little storyteller.
Sir Reginald, a brave knight with shiny blue armor, lived in a tall stone castle. His best friend was Sparky, a small green dragon. Sparky had big friendly eyes and little fluttery wings. One sunny morning, Sparky felt a funny tickle in his tummy. Hic! A little puff of sparkly dust popped out of his nose. Hic! Another one, this time even shinier. Sparky looked around, worried. He didn't like these sparkly hiccups. Sir Reginald saw the sparkly puffs. "What's that, Sparky?" he asked, his helmet gleaming in the sun. Hic! Sparky hiccuped again, and more tiny, shimmering sparkles floated into the air. "It's my hiccups," Sparky said sadly. "And they make sparkles. It's silly." Sir Reginald smiled. "Silly? I think they are wonderful," he exclaimed, watching the sparkles drift like tiny stars. "We are having a party tomorrow. What if we used your sparkly hiccups to decorate the castle?" Sparky's eyes widened. "Really? Hic!" A big burst of silver sparkles shot out. Sir Reginald carefully directed Sparky around the great hall. Hic! 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 With each hiccup, trails of glittery dust landed on the walls and furniture, making everything shimmer. Soon, the great hall looked magical. The stone walls sparkled like they were covered in tiny diamonds. The wooden tables gleamed. Even Sir Reginald's armor seemed to shine brighter in the sparkly light. Sparky giggled. His hiccups weren't so bad after all. The next day, the castle was filled with happy guests. They gasped at the beautiful, sparkly decorations. "It looks like magic," one guest said. Sparky beamed. He was proud of his sparkly hiccups. He learned that even something you think is a problem can be special and useful with a little help from a friend.
Please subscribe. Thank you.